Hi, I'm Dave Booth, Vice President of Sales with Caliber Equipment. What I'd like to do today is just take a couple minutes and introduce to you a new product. This is from Karcher, one of the lines that we handle of cleaning equipment. Karcher is known worldwide for their equipment and carry a wide range of cleaning equipment of all sizes. This is the BD 75/75 Classic. Now they have a whole line of these machines in different sizes, but what's different about this is it now is available with a cylindrical style scrub head. What does that mean? Cylindrical scrubbers are designed to scrub and sweep small debris at the same time. Most scrubbers are conventional disc, which you have to pre-sweep, but what Karcher has come out with now in this mid-size category is the BD 75/75 cylindrical scrubber sweeper. Let me take you through a couple of the features and walk you through it so you can get a better idea about this machine. First thing, as you'll notice, it's a very low profile. So it's a mid-size footprint, holds about 20 gallons solution and recovery. And they've got a large heavy metal cylindrical scrub deck. Now this is a 30-inch deck, so it cleans a 30-inch path. It has two cylindrical brushes underneath, so as it's scrubbing, it's going to put down solution, and then the brushes spin. You've got a front brush, a rear brush, and then any small debris that may be on the floor is then trapped into a small pull-out tray, so now you're just left with dirty water being picked up. On the cylindrical deck, because you have two roller brushes front and the back, and we showed you the simple clean out tray for debris, but when it's time to replace the brushes or service it, they've designed this very simple by releasing this lever, taking the side panel off, and now you can easily pull out your scrub brush to inspect it, see if it's time to be replaced, and rinse off your bearings and housings. But again, all designed to be very easy to operate and to maintain, putting the brushes in and out. The advantage of cylindrical over disc is time. You can clean, you can scrub, you can vacuum, but you're picking up the debris all at the same time. And if you have a tile floor, often cylindrical brushes clean better, gets into the grout line versus a standard disc machine. As you move back a little bit, as you see on this, it's got a lot of great features, but being the Classic, it is very simple to operate and maintain. You have two tanks. This lifts up, gives you access to your battery compartment. This is your solution tank, which simply fill it up there, and again, it holds about 20 gallons. Batteries are available in either flooded wet or AGM. So there's different sizes available, but easy access for maintenance. Once you lower that down, this opens up, lets you get to the recovery tank. Now what they've done is they've put a couple of baskets here as part of maintenance and simplification of taking care of the machine. First, you've got a debris basket, so if you suck up any debris, it's going to be caught in there. You have less trash in the bottom of your tank. Secondly, you have a float system, so in the event you have a full tank, it's going to clog off your vacuum motor, so you protect it, and they put a nice screen here. This is easily removed for maintenance. And it just sits right there. But again, you have a nice opening for service. You can take these off and then flush out the machine. As we work our way around, they give you a bracket here, so when you're done scrubbing, you can take the squeegee off the machine and hang it on here so that you can clean it and maintain it instead of leaving it on the machine. As we work to the back of the machine, again, very simple. You're not seeing a lot of buttons and that you have to worry about. You have a simple key switch to power on the machine. When it first comes on, it'll tell you when it's due for service, and it'll give you your battery indicator and the hours. You have a little touch bar in the back, and this is how it's powered. By squeezing that, you can go in forward or reverse. And then you have a simple speed control right here to adjust the speed that you want to go, and it tells you what percentage you're operating at. So again, it's a very simple two-handed machine, very ergonomic, and two simple buttons on it. As we look in the back of the machine, here you have a simple control to increase or reduce the flow of water down to your brushes depending on the conditions. So you can increase it or reduce it or turn it off depending on how you're cleaning. You have a large squeegee handle that lowers the squeegee and turns on the vacuum. So when you're ready to dry the floor, simply lower the handle, squeegee hits the floor, the vacuum turns on. When you're done, you can lift it up. When you're ready to scrub, you have a simple foot pedal, mechanical. Simply by pushing it down and over, releases the head, lowers it to the floor. So now you're ready to scrub. When you're done, you simply push it down and over, and it retracts off the floor. Part of the scrub head, if you notice, it has side skirts that float. That way you have good contact with the floor to hold the solution under the machine, and as you make turns, it tracks under the machine so you don't have water coming out. With the head in the down position, once I grab the paddle, it'll automatically turn on the brushes and solution will be flowing. And then I control how fast I want it to come out. So again, very simple. Foot pedal lowers the deck. When I squeeze the paddle, it'll turn it on. So now I'm scrubbing and putting down solution. When I'm done, I just simply lift it up off the floor. Again, all this is designed to be very simple, easy for your operators, and as well as maintenance. Here in the back, you got a little basket to keep papers and supplies that come with it. Your charger plugs right here on the back, so when you're ready to charge it, you simply unplug this, plug the charger in, plug it into a 110 outlet, and you're ready to go and let the charger automatically charge it up. When you're done, unplug the charger, and then just simply reconnect this, and now I'm ready to go. Last thing in the back is I have a big drain hose. So once I'm done scrubbing the dirty tank, simply pull the hose off, pop the cap, and then lower it down. And now you're draining the tank, and you can simply rinse it out. Last thing for maintenance, underneath here you have a big open cap. If you ever had to drain out the clean water in the bottom, I can unscrew that, drain it out, and then there's a filter behind that to keep any buildup or any chemicals from affecting the solution valve. But it's, again, part of maintenance. So as you can see, this machine has a lot of great features, very simple to operate, very easy to maintain. This is the Karcher BD 7575 cylindrical scrubber. For more information, give us a call, Caliber Equipment, 888-550-0945. And thanks for watching.